How are you doing?
We are good.
Hello, Britain's Got Talent. We are the Ghetto Kids from Uganda, Africa, and we like to move it.
In the heart of Kampala's Katwe slums, a group of children transform their lives through dance, music, and unity. This is the inspiring story of the Ghetto Kids. Founded in 2014 by Daouda Kavuma, the Ghetto Kids began as a small group of talented children from Uganda's Katwe slums. What started as a passion for dance quickly became a beacon of hope for many. Their big break came when they featured in Eddie Kenzo's viral hit, Sitya Loss. The video garnered millions of views, propelling them into the spotlight. Ghetto Kids, previously named Triplets Ghetto Kids, hail from Uganda. The group consists of children from a Ugandan orphanage. The group explain how their lives are enriched in the orphanage and how they feel as if they have a familial connection from the orphanage, and as such they are able to live their lives in a positive ways through education, food, and hospital visits when needed.
Ghetto Kids is an orphanage. We are 30 kids living together in one home, and we are looked after by Mr. Kavuma.
In 2014, the group performed a dance routine in the music video for Eddie Kenzo's single entitled Sitya Loss. In 2015, the group performed a dance routine in the music video for another one of Eddie Kenzo's singles entitled Jambo. In 2017, the group performed a dance routine in the music video for French Montana's single entitled Unforgettable. In 2022, the group performed a dance routine in the music videos for LT Skill's single entitled ODG and LT Skill's single entitled Tunakupenda. In January 2023, the group performed at halftime during Football Club Paris Saint-Germain's home game against Reims at the Parc des Princes in France, which also saw them provided with the opportunity to meet Paris Saint-Germain players such as Kylian Mbappé prior to the match. Additionally, in 2023, they competed on the 16th season of Britain's Got Talent, where they acquired Bruno Tonioli's Golden Buzzer and finished 6th overall in the final.
Ghetto Kids, Africa.
This time for Africa. Samina, mina, eh, eh, waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sakalewa, anawa, ah, ah. Samina, mina, eh, eh, waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sakalewa. This time for Africa.
I'm going on my journey, biggie, biggie mama, from A to Z. Party, so on my journey, biggie, biggie mama, from east to west. Party, waka, waka, my eh, eh, waka, waka, my eh, eh. Sangin' sis, Mazibu, yeah, 'cause this is Africa.
In April 2023, the Ghetto Kids took the stage at Britain's Got Talent. Their electrifying performance left the judges and audience in awe. Mid-performance, Judge Bruno Tonioli broke the show's rules and pressed the golden buzzer, sending them straight to the semifinals.
Absolute superstars, every single one of you. What you're doing is absolutely incredible. And
the audience love you, genuinely love you.
Following their golden buzzer moment, the Ghetto Kids' journey took them around the world. From performing at the 2022 World Cup in Qatar to gracing the stage at Paris Saint-Germain's home game.
The kids are very big fan for PSG and they like soccer, so it's a dream coming true, so they wanted to make our dream come true.
Their reach expanded beyond borders. The Ghetto Kids' impact extends beyond their performances.
For you and I, a little space for you and I.
Through their foundation, they provide education, mentorship, and a safe haven for street children in Uganda.
This time for Africa. Samina, mina, eh, eh, waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina, sakalewa, anawa, ah, ah. Samina, mina, eh, eh, waka, waka, eh, eh. Samina, mina,
This wasn't an audition, it was a performance. I've known these kids for a long time, and the only thing they were lacking was recognition from the whole world. They made history as the golden buzzer was pressed in the middle of the performance. It is truly amazing, and the way they carry on after getting the valuable buzzer shows that they are unbothered. That's truly an act of professionalism. Phenomenal performance from these talented children. These kids are incredibly talented. I absolutely love this video. Big upes to Africa. Never been more proud to be an African. These children are the new face of hope. This is a win for every African child out there. Rooting for you guys all the way from Nigeria. What got me is how this guy is taking care of all these kids. Before they got to this level, no one will know what he went through, but love made him do that. Everyone should never forget to give credit to the one who took them in, nurture them, giving his best for the kids to shine. Everyone deserves a chance, and the kids were very lucky to have someone who genuinely wants the best for them. It was a great performance. Love it. I got tears and laughs at the same time through this performance. This performance will remain as a biggest legend ever. I'm really proud of those kids trying to find a way to make everyone feel happy. I hope you guys will remain legend as well and wish you guys an amazing health, and we will boost you forever. Love from South Korea.
How are you guys? Hi, Simon.
How are you doing?
We are good. Hello, Britain's Got Talent. We are the Ghetto Kids from Uganda, Africa, and we like to move it.
To learn more about their journey and support their mission, visit Ghetto Kids' official website or social media. The Ghetto Kids' journey from the streets of Kampala to international stardom is a testament to the power of resilience, unity, and the transformative power of art.